Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need a Clickbank account and a working landing page before you scale. First, verify your Clickbank profile and enable affiliate tracking. This lets you generate hop links. Next, pick a focused niche and shortlist 3 products with gravity above 10. This shows consistent sales. Then, build a one-page landing that captures emails and connects to your autoresponder. You'll use that list to convert traffic. Once done, create hop links for each product so you can start sending tracked traffic immediately. You must drive traffic and measure everything. Start by testing 3 traffic channels: organic SEO keywords, a small paid ads campaign, and influencer or content partnerships. Allocate a test budget and measure CTR and CPC. Make sure your landing page has a clear headline, one strong CTA, and social proof. Run a/B test on headline or CTA to lift conversions. Use UTM tags and a basic tracking sheet to monitor conversion rate and earnings per. Once you find profitable links, scale methodically. Increase ad spend by 20 to 30% weekly while keeping an eye on ROI, and expand winning creatives and placements. Automate your email sequence with 5 value-driven messages that build trust and present the affiliate offer and potential upsells. This raises lifetime value. If results stall, troubleshoot. Check that traffic quality matches your offer, rewrite landing copy to address objections, or test a different product. Make those adjustments and remeasure within 3 to 7 days.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.